At bago po tayo magtapos, live na mapapakinggan ngayon sa 95.5 Eagle FM, ang frontman ng iconic American rock band na Journey. Walang iba kundi si Arnel Pineda.
Wala bang natsok yan? Pakinggan natin. Oh.
Game na nakikipag-jamming si Arnel kay DJ Jam. At sa kwento po ni Arnel, overwhelmed siya sa suporta ng mga kasama niya sa banda. Ito ay sa kabila nga nung di ba, may controversial na concert siya sa Brazil kung saan may mga fans hindi nagustuhan yung kanyang performance. Narito po ang ilang bahagi ng aming panayam.
Oh, syempre, we're still together naman. Actually, kaka-finish lang ng namin ng nung 4 last shows namin sa Japan. So, it was a very successful shows. They were all very successful. Lahat sold out. So, to all of our kababayan at saka yung to all the Japanese people who went to the show, thank you so much. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Talagang it was just very, very overwhelming the kind of support that they gave to us. And I think for me, ito yung best performance namin as a band sa being with them for and then we've been in Japan for the third time this is third time. This is so far is the best performance I had with the band.
Para naman marinig yung kanyang performance at kanyang panayam.
Gusto ko marinig.
Makinig tayo.
Gusto ko marinig.
Meron
ba sample dyan, direct?
Ikaw ang gusto kong marinig kumanta ng Open
Ito,
Arms.
mapapakinggan yan. Basahin mo.
Napapakinggan yan ngayon sa 95.5 Eagle FM. At napapanood yan, ano?
Yan. Yun, no?
Yun.
Saan ba yun?
Abangan nyo din yung kung wala kayong TV, social media platforms ng Net25. Live po yan.